The Amazon basin covers 5.5 million square miles, a vast green wilderness sprawling across the borders of 8 different countries. An estimated 400 billion trees create a canopy so dense it plunges the forest floor into perpetual darkness, even in the middle of the day. In this environment, the green anaconda thrives. These massive predators can grow up to 30 feet long, capable of swallowing large prey entirely whole. Smaller threats are equally paralyzing. The bullet ant delivers a sting so agonizing, it is often compared to the sensation of being shot. Beneath the river's surface, the electric eel produces an 860-volt shock, a current powerful enough to instantly shut down a large animal's nervous system. The dangers are so pervasive that marathon swimmer Martin Strel spent 66 days traversing the river. His team had to constantly throw meat into the water to distract nearby alligators. For centuries, these lethal conditions supported the archaeological dogma that the Amazon was an untouched wilderness, far too hostile to ever sustain a large-scale human civilization. However, deep in the Peruvian jungle, the laws of nature seem to break. The Shinay Tempishka is a river that flows at a constant boil, despite being over 450 miles from the nearest active volcano. The water reaches 100 degrees Celsius, hot enough to instantly cook any insect or small mammal that falls into the current. This geothermal anomaly suggests that even the basic geological assumptions we have about the Amazon are subject to terrifying exceptions. The boiling river is a reminder that the deepest corners of this jungle hide secrets that challenge our understanding of what is possible in the natural world. Satellite imagery has revealed more than 300 massive, perfectly geometric trenches carved directly into the earth. To see what else was hidden, researchers used LiDAR. By firing aircraft-mounted lasers through the trees, they were able to map the actual topography of the forest floor for the first time. The scans revealed an interconnected network of ancient urban cities hidden beneath the sea of trees. In the settlements of the Kasaraba culture, we find 70-foot-tall earthen pyramids and perfectly straight causeways that stretch for miles. These populations overcame the poor natural soil by engineering terra preta. They mixed charcoal and bone into the earth to create a highly fertile, man-made soil. This dark earth allowed millions of people to farm the jungle sustainably, supporting a population density previously thought to be impossible. These indigenous societies did more than just survive. They engineered the completely hostile landscape into a sprawling metropolis. Shortly before the arrival of Europeans, these advanced empires suffered a sudden and catastrophic collapse. Prolonged droughts and internal warfare weakened the cities, leaving the population vulnerable to European diseases like smallpox, which killed up to 90% of the people. As the population vanished, the jungle aggressively reclaimed the land. Within generations, it swallowed both ancient pyramids and more recent colonial outposts, erasing them from maps and memory. Today, the Amazon acts as an indiscriminate graveyard, dismantling human ambitions and burying entire histories beneath its floor. Our understanding of this ecosystem is being reversed. The Amazon is actually an overgrown, post-apocalyptic garden. Many of the plant species we see today are not randomly distributed. They are the remnants of ancient cultivated orchards that have run wild for 5 centuries. The Amazon stands as a haunting monument to a world after us, a garden that has outlived its gardeners. Today, a heavily mechanized invasion is pushing into this graveyard as illegal logging roads carve new arteries of destruction through the trees. Reports indicate that up to 90% of all deforestation in the Brazilian Amazon is entirely illegal and unregulated. This expansion brings chainsaws and disease to uncontacted tribes, forcing groups who have lived in isolation for centuries into violent conflict. Destroying the Amazon is the permanent burning of humanity's last monument to a forgotten civilization.